Hey everyone, I am so excited to be bringing you a second giveaway in the month of August. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for being here. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I do a wig giveaway every month, and I have been. We're on our third year of doing monthly giveaways on my channel, and this month I've already done one, but I really wanted to do another one this month. Bring some more joy to this world that is struggling so much. And so this time around, I am going to give away 2 headband wigs to 2 lucky winners. So 1 headband wig, 2 winners. You'll win 1. I don't even know how to say that right. I have 2 headband wigs. There'll be 2 winners. And I'm really, really thrilled to be able to pass these along to a wig sister. So the headband wigs that I have here are called Jon Renau Luscious. These have been discontinued. Jon Renau does not carry these anymore. I have owned them for a number of years and they're in pretty good condition. This one is in the color Cherry Cobbler. It is a beautiful medium auburn. And this one is in better condition. It's, you know, these are not your typical Jon Renau fibers. They were cheaper fibers because they were cheaper pieces. So they do feel fairly dry and not as kind of soft and silky as a typical Jon Renau wig. But it's still nice and it's still great to wear in a headband. This one is in the color Rootbeer Float. I think I wore this one a few times and the ends are really tangly. Now, I still think this is going to be fine to wear, like I have this one right here. This one I have on my head is over 3 years old. It has been worn hundreds of times. It is really, really dry and crunchy and worse for wear. I've trimmed off probably 6 inches over time, but you cannot tell. Look at how great this looks. I mean, it just looks like somebody put their hair up in a messy bun. So cheap, dry headband wigs aren't a big deal if you're going to wear them like this. So this one definitely has some crunchy ends. I think you can leave it the length it is and put it in a messy, I'm just trying to find the front here, messy updo and it'll be fine. Or you can cut some of it. They're super long, you guys, super long. You can cut some of the length off to get rid of some of the crispy ends. Either way, this is going to give you tons and tons of wear. I debated about whether or not to use it for a giveaway, but I figured why not? Somebody's gonna make great use of one of these. So if you want to try a headband wig, go down to the description. There's a link to Rafflecopter. You click on that link, go to the website and put in your name and email address. If you win, I will email you. There are scams out here on YouTube where people are trying to trick people by telling them that they've won something and trying to get them to go to some random website. So you may make a comment on one of my videos and say something to me about the video or whatever. Somebody could make a comment on your comment saying, hey, you've won something. Go to this random website or this random app to claim your prize. I will never send you someplace to go claim your prize. If you win one of my giveaways, I will email you and I will never ever charge you. Not even for shipping. So don't fall for these scams. Keep in mind with these, they fit me. I have a 22-inch circumference and they fit me, but just barely. There's no stretch in these. So if you have a bigger than 22-inch circumference, this is probably going to be tight on you. You could maybe still make it work, but I'm just cautioning you. They come with a headband. I will include a headband similar to the one I have on my head with it because I don't think these headbands work very well. I don't think they look very realistic. I think it looks much better when you put a thicker headband over this headband. So that's what I would recommend. So this one is a light brown color. It is the Rootbeer. Let me double check that. Rootbeer Float. This is a medium light brown Rootbeer Float. Cherry Cobbler, a beautiful medium auburn. You can register for both of them if you want to, or just one, but really thrilling to be able to give a headband wig. I just love headband wigs. I think they're such a great addition to your wig wardrobe. Thanks for being here, you guys. I love you all so much. I just want to do so much to help my wig sisters. And someday maybe I'll be able to do a lot more than I am right now, but we'll just take this one day at a time. And today we have a giveaway. Go register, guys. Thanks for watching.